Hi math lovers, we have to find the value of x in this equation. We have x times x, which will be x to the power of 3 plus x equals to 10. Now let's bring the number to the left side. This will be x cubed plus x minus 10. If we move, we change the sign when we pass the equal sign. Equals to 0. What is the next step? I will do x cubed plus x minus 10. I will make 8 plus 2. Right? Equals to 0. Now we have x cubed plus x. Let's open this parenthesis. If we have negative sign in front of parenthesis, that belongs to 8 and also 2. Like negative 1 times. When we open parenthesis, this will be negative 8. And this plus sign will change the sign, become negative again. Negative 2 equals to 0. Now let's combine together like terms. We can make 8 as 2 cubed, right? We will make x cubed minus, because we know 8 is 2 cubed, we can do this way, 2 cubed. Then we have plus x minus 2 equals to 0. As you remember, in algebra, we have a cubed minus b cubed equals to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. I will use this formula to solve this part. So our a is x in this case, b is 2. Now let's write this way. X minus 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 2 squared is 4. Then whatever we had at the end, we will plus, let's write this inside the parenthesis, x minus 2 equals to 0. Now we can factor out x minus 2 because we have in both parts, right? X minus 2. Let's factor out. Let's make big brackets. And then inside we will have this part. X squared plus 2x plus 4. Plus, if we factor out this x minus 2, we will get 1 instead. Equals to 0. Now, let's solve this inside part. We have x minus 2. And inside the brackets, we can combine this 1 with this parenthesis. We will have x squared plus 2x plus 4 plus 1 will be 5 equals to 0. If we have two terms multiplied together and the answer is 0, this says x minus 2, this first part, can be equal to 0, or x squared plus 2x plus 5 can be equal to 0. This part is easier, right? X equals 2 will come to the right, become positive 2. So this will be one solution. right? But we need 2 more solutions because we had x cubed here. That means we need to have 3 solutions. One solution is x equals to 2. Now we will solve this quadratic formula, this one, and find the value for x, 2 more values. So this is quadratic formula. As you remember, quadratic formula, we were solving this way. X equals to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. This is discriminant formula we call for solving quadratic formula. We're going to use this formula to solve this equation for x. So we have x squared plus 2x plus 5 equals 0. We will write this way. X equals to, in this case, our b is this negative, b is 2. So we will write negative 2 plus and minus square root. B square will be 4, right? 2 square. Minus 4ac. A is the coefficient in front of x. We have 1 here. There is nothing. That means it's 1. 4 times a is 1. Will be still 4. And times c. Our c is 5. So we will have 4 times 1 times 5, which will be 20. Divided by 2a, our coefficient was 1, 2 times 1 is 2. Now let's solve this. X equals negative 2 plus and minus square root of negative 16. Can we have negative under the radical sign? I will explain you. There are cases we can have it. So there is imaginary number I in algebra, which is equal to square root of negative 1. So we can write down this negative 16 as I times 16. So we will have here x equals to minus 2 plus and minus square root of I times 16. Like negative 1 times 16. This will be divided by 2. Then x equals to negative 2 plus and minus. This was negative 1. Let's write I negative 1 times. 4 will come out. And I will come out, divided by 2. So we have, for second solution, we will have x equals to negative 2 plus, let me simplify here one more. This is equal to, if we divide this 2 with this, and also with this 4, we will get here negative 1 plus minus 2i. Let's write simplest form, okay? So here we will have negative 1 plus 2i. For third one, we will have x equals to -1 minus 2i. So we found 3 solutions for our equation for our x. I hope you understand. This was x1, x2, and x3. We had 3 solutions. Thank you for following. Please comment, like, and subscribe.